welcome back to my channel. Get your cap and your gloves ready because baseball season has begun. So to celebrate the start of the season, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a dessert inspired by a classic ballpark snack. We're making Cracker Jack cupcakes. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats and let's get baking.
To make the Cracker Jack cupcakes, we'll be making peanut butter cupcakes. For this, you'll need 3 cups of cake flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, 12 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of sour cream, and a 1/4 cup of whole milk. To get started, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line your cupcake tin. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, both the granulated and brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Add in the melted butter and oil until well combined. Next, add in the peanut butter and mix. Normally, I like to use a natural peanut butter for things like my buttercream. The Trader Joe's one is one of my favorites since I grew up with it. But due to the oil from the nuts, it could sometimes separate and make the cupcakes crumbly. Scrape down the bowl and add the eggs, vanilla extract, and sour cream until thoroughly combined. Slowly pour the milk and mix until the batter is all mixed together and smooth. Scoop the batter into each liner and bake for 22 to 24 minutes or until a toothpick insert comes out slightly clean with little moist crumbs. Allow them to cool for 5 minutes, then transfer them onto a cooling rack. To decorate the cupcakes in a fun way, I place each cupcake in a red and white popcorn-inspired wrapper. Then, I use a piping tip to make a hole in the center of the cupcake. Make sure to save the little pieces that were removed. Fill in the cupcakes with caramel, then place the cutout piece back on top. Using a 1M tip, pipe vanilla buttercream in a swirl design onto the cupcakes. For the garnish, drizzle some more caramel and top them off with some caramel popcorn and peanuts. And now you're ready for baseball season with these fun Cracker Jack cupcakes.
I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had so much fun making the Cracker Jack cupcakes and I hope you did as well. It is such a tasty, nostalgic cupcake to enjoy. Also, comment down below your favorite baseball team. If you recreate the cupcakes or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone's staying safe and well. Enjoy your Cracker Jack cupcakes and happy baseball season. Bye!